Coffee grounds can have many benefits in the garden. Here are my top 4. Number 1. Compost. Coffee grounds are considered a green compost material, meaning they're high in nitrogen. When you sprinkle them into your compost pile in thin layers, they help heat up the pile, speed up decomposition, and balance carbon-rich materials like leaves, paper, and straw. Mix them lightly, or alternate layers with dry leaves or cardboard. Do this right, and your compost will break down faster, and become rich, dark, and full of nutrients. Number 2. Improving soil quality. When used sparingly, coffee grounds can completely transform the texture of your soil. They help soil hold moisture, drain better, become fluffier and easier to work with, and support beneficial microbes. If you've got sandy soil that dries out too fast, coffee grounds help it retain more water. If you've got heavy clay soil, they help loosen it, and improve aeration. You don't need much. Just a small handful per square foot, mixed into the top couple inches of soil. Number 3. Odor Control. If your compost bin is smelling foul, toss in a handful of used coffee grounds. They instantly absorb odors, reduce the sour smell from food scraps, and help balance the moisture inside the bin. Number 4. Pest Repellent. Coffee grounds can mildly repel slugs, snails, ants, and cats. Just sprinkle a thin ring around vulnerable plants, or around the edges of your raised beds. Whenever you use coffee grounds in the garden, always make sure to only use a small amount, so you don't harm the plants.